At SAP, we're just like everyone. When our phone drops, we try to save it by catching it. With our foot? On video calls, we just can't stop looking at ourselves. During a conversation, if we feel a yawn coming, we think we can successfully hide it with a coffee mug. We just have to give the elevator button another push, because otherwise, how would the elevator know we're in a hurry? We always plug in a USB the right way. The second time. Once in a while, we make mistakes. And at the end of the day, we have no idea where we parked. But when we are not like everyone is when we work. With over 200 million users worldwide, SAP is the market leader in enterprise software. We have the technology and the people to change the world. So what are you waiting for? Join us.
Yes, finally.